Microsoft Office 2010 contains many tools to ensure that your content remains accessible to everyone. Many tools are program specific. However, several features can be used for any program in Office 2010. The following tutorials deal with the general accessibility features of Office 2010. In this tutorial, I will concentrate on two major features, the accessibility checker and alternative text for objects. The accessibility checker is your first line of defense when attempting to keep your Microsoft Office documents accessible. The accessibility checker scans your documents for any issues that may hinder the accessibility of your content. How to open the accessibility checker. Click on File to access the Backstage. In the Prepare for Sharing section, click on Check for Issues. Select Check Accessibility. The accessibility checker will now open to the right of your document. The checker separates accessibility issues into three categories. Errors deal with issues that render content unreadable for people or devices. Warnings deal with issues that may render the content difficult to read or understand for people or devices. Tips deal with issues that may or may not be accessible. Contained within each issue category are collapsible lists separated by specific issue types. Clicking on an individual issue will bring you to the location of the issue in the document. The checker will also explain why it is an issue and how to fix it in the bottom panel. The most common issue you will run into when creating content with images is the lack of alternative text. Alt text is necessary in order to ensure that your content can be accessed by screen readers and other devices. How to add alternative text to an object. Right-click the object. Select Format Picture. Select Alt Text. Fill in the title. Add a description. Alt text must convey the same information conveyed through the image or graph. Keep your alt text short and concise. If you need to include extra information, add it to the description section. This tutorial has gone over the accessibility checker as well as how to utilize alt text. Thank you for watching this Microsoft Office accessibility tutorial.